have a little bit of fine tuning. We're going to go out and get some heat in it and warm it up, and then we'll probably do another session after that. See how we go.
What did the braking seem like, John?
We were alright.
I'll tell you what, the tyre went there.
So yeah, that was session one. Well, you won't see any footage because I think I'll just do the pits. The car were good. We got we did time it just under 15 seconds, so that's pretty good on that side of things. Which I think is where we want to be. And now we're just changing this tyre because the tyre went down on the last lap, and we're going to go out as it is again, see if we can put some more consistent times together, and then we'll do some more alterations, because I've got a box of tricks down there that we want to try. So we'll do that. We'll get this sorted, do that, and see how we go. All right. Yeah, just let us know when you're gonna. We'll try and leave just before. So, 2 sessions, 2 tyres. We're gonna pull it off now and try one of our new setups and see whether that works. The car seems pretty good at the minute. We've just got to sort of see if we can improve on it. So, session 3, managed to come back with, I think it's just starting to go, that tyre, but might get another one out of it. So yeah, fractionally quicker, neither here nor there really, but we're just going to alter the arms and see if we can make it a little bit quicker again. That's what we're here for, a bit of trial and error. So, come off after session 4, we've done another outside rear tyre, so that's 3 today already. We just bolted another one on. Try this setup again. Pretty happy with that. I think that's where we're going to go Thursday night. So yeah, we're going to go and give it another run. We had a couple of tyres in, and I think I'm pretty happy with that after today. Knocked a bit of rust off, so we'll go and see what this is like with that tyre on, with another set of tyres on. Brakes feel a lot better, onto some old pads, and yeah, so I think we'll go with what we got and see what we can do on Thursday with this. So I think we'll have one more session and just leave it at that. What do you want? So that's it for today. We've done what, 5 sessions? Yeah. Got better in each one. Pretty happy with how it's going now. So we're just going to pack it all up and get out of here. And then we just got to get it back in the workshop and measure everything up on the scales and make sure it's we write it down. Legal. And legal. To come to Skegness and not get a picture with the sign.